hate, Bella.
Oh, hey, what you reading?
New Moon.
Oh, I love that book, except it has way too much Jacob in it.
What?
Too much Jacob.
Alright. You wanna go? You wanna go? Stick. You don't. Oh my god! My baby instinct broke! Dog. No!
Why don't you just go fetch?
Back to the doghouse. Back to the doghouse. All right, back to the doghouse. No, you didn't. Give me your sock. You take your sock. You beat yourself up.
Don't you ever insult my future husband again.
My candy bar! Wow! Get back to your blood-sucking lazy boyfriend!
Get back up here and fight like a... Dizzy bumpers!
Stop, stop, stop.
I'm sorry. What's the matter, blood-sucking lazy boyfriend?
Okay.
You hit me in the nose with the bottom of the shoe.
That is the end of this tragedy. Change